Rival Terra. This is going to be an all mod review. We are starting off with the Gauss Minigun G36, created by Soroka 90. I apologize if I didn't get that name right, to the creator. This minigun is quite good. It has several upgrades. This is not the only minigun this author created. He has done several other types of weapons. I just downloaded the plasma minigun. We'll be checking that out later. I have downloaded the quantum minigun. I have a video of that being used. I downloaded the plasma collider, but for some reason that one and the alien minigun have issues with their ammo. The ammo does not appear. I have sent a bug report to the creator. I downloaded the gravitational minigun. That one had an issue or a bug yesterday when I tried to use it. For some reason the ammo count would disappear when I tried to use the gun, but I do have plenty of ammo in my inventory because the ammo shows up underneath one of the other guns that uses it. But my favorite by far so far is the Gauss one. It can be found in the castle. I'll be showing that in the video. Once I'm done with my review on the video, I'll be showing you some walkthrough game footage. I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you. Here we are in the castle. This is in the back wall. This is where you'll find the Gauss minigun. This is the weapons room. This is where you'll find the rest of the miniguns that he's created. If you haven't got a mod that opens it early, you'll have to wait till you talked to Ronnie Shaw and done the old guns quest. Here we are in Nuka World. This is the Gauss minigun. As you can see, it's pretty effective at clearing a large area pretty darn fast. As I said, I put the never-ending legendary mod on it. I always use the mod that allows me to add the legendary mods to any weapon I want to. This is the quantum minigun. There I am going down to get Nick Valentine. This one kind of has a cool effect with the kind of blue plasma looking shots. As you can see, it looks like kind of bubbles flying through the air. Apparently, because it's explosive, it's changed the way the gun fires and looks when it fires. If you're also wondering what type of clothing my character is wearing, this would be the mod where I have my suit from. It is the DX Mistress mod. As you can see, it has several different colors. This would be the closer to what I'm wearing, the naughty version. As you can see, the author also has several other mods he's done. It comes with a set of claws. These are some of the other outfits the author has done. I also have this one on, which is where I get the cat mask from. This is the DX Fetish Volume 1. This is the cat mask. These are some actually real life models that inspired the collection. So, found this new mod that popped up on Nexus. It is a dojo mod where somebody went in and built the menu so that you could build yourself your own little dojo. So the walls, foundation, created these authentic looking Japanese little lights. We have some nice room dividers. We have several different types of rugs. We have mattress beds. We have some oriental furniture. We have candle lighting. These little Japanese seats. Of course, we have the katana, some incense, this little altar set up. We have komodos on racks. We added in these bamboo trees, bamboo fences. It's a cool little mod. I have some others that have punching bags and other stuff that could be added to it. So if you're looking for a cool little building mod to set up your own little dojo in your communities, then this is a good one for you. So this is the Nexus page for the dojo mod that I found. I will not try to pronounce that Japanese name. Here are some of the screenshots from the Nexus page. As I said, it's a cool little mod. So here we have some game capture footage. This can also act as a walkthrough for anybody looking for information on completing Out of Time and When Freedom Calls. The current character you're seeing is Blue because we just had the release of the new Avatar movie, Avatar 2, which is taking forever to get out.
He's in a better place.
But these things you're saying, these terrible things, I believe you need a distraction. Yes, a distraction to calm this dire mood. It's been ages since we've had a proper family activity. Checkers, or perhaps charades. Oh, Sean does so love that game. Is the lad, is your...
Sean's been kidnapped. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna get my baby back.
It's worse than I thought. You're suffering from hunger-induced paranoia. Not eating properly for 200 years will do that, I'm afraid.
Doesn't matter how long it's been. I feel fine.
A bit over 210, actually. Give or take a little for the Earth's rotation and some minor dings to the old chronometer. That means you're 2 centuries late for dinner. Perhaps I can bring you up a snack.
Always hit you are okay. Never ask for a snack.
Codsworth,
I've had a lot of times where Codsworth's gone into the house and the game has stopped.
Mom, it's been just horrible. 2 centuries with no one to talk to, no one to serve. I spent the first 10 years trying to keep the floors waxed. Nothing gets out.
I hate waxing floors. I did that for 4 years at Walmart.
And don't get me started about the futility of dusting a collapsed house. And the car, how do you polish rust?
Stay with me, pal. Focus.
I'm afraid I don't know anything, Mom. The bombs came, and all of you left in such a hurry that I thought for certain you and your family were dead. I did find this comic. I believe Sir was going to present it to you as a surprise. So, well, everything happened.
Thank you, Codsworth.
You're welcome. Now, enough feeling sorry for the Shall we search the neighborhood together? Sir and young Sean may turn up yet.
All right. Lead the way.
Now this section can get a little glitchy. A lot of times I've had Codsworth turn and run into the house. Some people say it is the creation club piece, that it was the creation where they did the tunnel snakes, that update screwed it up. I also find that if I have a large number of quest mods loaded in, that if I don't wait for all the quests to load and I go to talk to Codsworth, he won't work right. There is a Codsworth bug fix on Nexus, and there was one on Bethesda for the Xbox.
Hey, Codsworth.
I've also had him get stuck in that house before on a few mods and not go to the second house after the other bugs. That is the Glock 19. There are several Glock mods out there. One I'm using adds the Glock with several attachments. I personally own a Glock 19. I've always found them to be the most dependable and reliable guns. Now, if you happen to have the extra cha-ching to spend on it, HK and FN does make a superior product, but for price per what you're getting, I've always found the Glock to be an exceptional weapon.
Concord is nearby, and, well, the people there have only shot me a few times.
Thanks for your help, Codsworth.
Good luck, Pop. You'll find young Sean.
I use the DX Dark Mistress outfit a lot because I've been using tats on my characters a lot, and I think the outfit leaves enough skin so that the tats show up. I also have another mod on that adds a bunch of clothing. That's where the two 44s on my side come from. Normally this person will not be in this building, but the Oni scouts are randomly scattered across the Commonwealth. They go with the Halo gun and armor mod that I have on.
Wait there. Up, move here.
That is the shotgun from the Halo gun mod I use. It's pretty much my #1 gun mod. You can get several different types of guns, good damage ratings, good fire ratings, several modifications. They come in all the different calibers you need. And you also get a workbench that allows you to build the actual ammo.
Nice.
Their time is impeccable. Preston Garden, Commonwealth Minigun.
Glad to help.
Well, if that's true, we could use some more goodwill. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess here.
Please, go on.
A month ago, there were 20 of us. Yesterday, there were 8. We're fine. First there was the Bulls in Lexington, and now this mess.
Sorry. Sounds really rough.
Thanks. It's good to meet someone who really cares. Anyway, we figured Concord would be a safe place to settle. Those raiders proved us wrong. But, well, we do have one idea.
One good idea can make all the difference.
Sturgis? Tell him.
There's a crashed vertibird up on the roof. Old school. Pre-war. You might have seen it. Well, looks like one of its passengers left behind a seriously sweet goodie. We're talking a full suit of Cherry T-45 power armor. Military issue.
I like it.
Yeah, I thought you might. Protection with an added bonus. Get the suit. You can rip the minigun right off the vertibird. Do that, and those raiders get an express ticket to hell. You dig?
Minigun. Now we're talking.
I know, right? Only there's one hitch.
For anybody who hasn't discovered it online or accidentally shot Sturgis, he is a synth.
I'll help if we can.
What you'll need is an old pre-war FC. A standardized fusion core. Your high-grade, long-term nuclear battery used by the military and some companies way back when. But we know right where to find it.
But we can't get to the damn thing. It's down in the basement, locked behind a security gate. Look, I fix stuff. I tinker. Bypassing security ain't exactly my forte. You can give it a shot.
Actually, I already grabbed the fusion core. We're set.
Well, all right. Maybe our luck's finally turning around. Once you jack the core into the power armor and grab that minigun, those raiders will know they picked the wrong fight. Good luck.
Careful. It's perfect.
I had one glitch on one of my playthroughs that would let me put the fusion core in the suit, but won't let me get in the suit.
What? We got somebody up here!
That took a few seconds to figure out a workaround.
Down here. Show me that gun up close. Give that to the boys. I'll give you that.
Now, normally if you're playing without any mods on, you would not want to use the minigun that quick. You want to save most of the minigun ammo for the Deathclaw.
Right over there. Mama Murphy. I'm working for nothing. I need more.
Look, kid, I'm tired now. Maybe you'll bring me some chems later. The site will paint a clearer picture.
Murphy, we talked about this. That jump, it's gonna kill you.
Shush, Preston, we're all gonna die eventually. We're gonna need this site. He's gonna need it too. Let's get going. Snake jump awaits.
Now, a lot of times
To our friend here,
I played the game so much that I know it's going to take Preston and his flock of slowpokes forever to get to Sanctuary. So I will not go to Sanctuary right off. I will actually go to the diner and meet up with Trudy first.
Hand over the goods.
I ain't giving you poison shilling chem pushers anything. Do you know what that junk has done to my boy?
You stop waving that gun in my face, or it's gonna involve me.
Okay, just take it easy. We'll lower our weapons, all right? Just don't do anything crazy.
Now hand over your money. All of it.
Just keep calm, all right? Here. That's everything I have.
Now,
You gotta be kidding me. Fine. We'll leave. Goddamn luck.
And I'll shoot them down after I get their money.
Can't believe you made that scumbag turn tail and run.
sure. Let's take a look.
All salvage. Nothing's done.
I'm glad you decided to come with us. I should have listened to Mama Murphy all along. Pretty nice place she's got. I think we could settle down here. Make it a place to call home. What do you think?
Yeah. I used to like living here. Before the war.
What do you mean? Before what war? Are you saying...
I lived here. Over 200 years ago. I was frozen or something for most of it. Just woke up a little while ago.
Damn. Like one of those old pre-war ghouls. You say you were frozen. Anybody else make it out with you?
Just my son. Somebody took him away while I was still trapped. I've been looking for him.
Damn. I'm sorry. I hope you find him. Let me know if there's any way I can help. Anyway, I am glad you're here. I hope you don't mind, but I've got another favor. I had word from a settlement asking for help. We're still hoping there are Minutemen out there. Somewhere. The only chance to start rebuilding the Minutemen is to show people that they can count on us when they need us. The trouble is, I got my hands full with it. Do you think you could go help out with the settlement?
I'd be glad to help.
That's fantastic. The Minutemen could use more people like you. By the way, if you want to help out around here at all, talk to Sturgis. I'm sure he'd be glad for all the help he can get.